Your cloud infrastructure is green. Your monitoring stack is healthy. Uptime, 99.97%. But here's what nobody's telling you. Somewhere in that company, there's an engineer earning twice your salary, solving a problem your team already solves for free. That role has a name. It's called a forward-deployed engineer. A forward-deployed engineer is not a cloud architect with a better title. It's what happens when a company realizes that deploying their own AI inside a client's environment isn't a sales problem. It's an engineering problem. These engineers work at the exact edge of the product, not building it, making it work inside Fortune 500 environments. Compliance requirements that don't match the product's assumptions, legacy infrastructure that wasn't designed to receive modern software, and custom integrations that run on the client's timeline, not the product teams. Companies like Palantir, Scale AI, and Glean built this role because a failed enterprise deployment costs more than the engineer preventing it. Here's where it gets interesting. The job description doesn't ask for data science or prompt engineering. It asks for cloud infrastructure, systems integration, and the ability to explain both to someone who has never touched a terminal. That's the whole job. According to Levels Phi, forward-deployed engineers at AI-native companies are earning $180,000 to $240,000 in total comp. Engineering complexity is lower than principal architect. Pay is higher. The reason isn't prestige, it's exposure. These are the only engineers who can make the technology land in the room where the decision gets made. Here's the mechanism. Enterprise clients don't trust documentation. They don't trust demos. They trust engineers who can sit across the table from a CTO and make the software work inside their specific environment, with their specific constraints on their timeline. Forward-deployed engineers own the last mile of deployment. Last miles in logistics cost more than the entire route. The same principle applies here. Companies aren't paying $200,000 because they're generous. They're paying it because the alternative, a failed deployment in front of an enterprise client, is catastrophic. Here's why this should make you uncomfortable. The three skills that make a strong forward-deployed engineer are infrastructure design, systems architecture, and technical communication. Skills you already have, already on your resume. Cloud engineers making this pivot aren't switching careers. They're translating the same work into a context where the stakes are visible to the people writing the checks. Same cloud skills, totally different economic gravity. The question isn't whether you're qualified. The question is whether you're describing your current work in language that signals you've already been doing it. That's the entire gap. Drop a comment below. What part of your current cloud role is already customer-facing? That's where the pivot starts.